If you don't know how to treat pimples, this video will help you. Here are also dermatologists Dr. Robin Evans and Dr. Whitney Bowe have given their top tips on how to get rid of pimples. This quick list is packed full of all genius zit-reducing recommendations, but before you jump right into the pimple treatment, take caution. At the end of this video, check out our 4 natural remedies that work. Get a superstar cleanser. Granted, breakouts are mostly outside of your control, but getting a really good cleanser can keep your skin in shape so that you can live your best life. Cortisone injections. There is an almost immediate fix, and that's an injection with a dilute strength of cortisone done by your dermatologist, says Dr. Robin Evans, a dermatologist at SoCo Dermatology in Connecticut. Hydrocortisone cream. Just don't use it on the reg, because using too much hydrocortisone can thin the skin and lead to more acne breakouts. Spot treatments. Spot treatments can definitely be effective. They help to reduce inflammation and dry up the pimple, says Dr. Evans. Crushed aspirin. Sounds weird, I know, but this can actually help. Crushed aspirin is anti-inflammatory, Dr. Evans says. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil clears up all sorts of skin stuff like insect bites, athlete's foot, and minor burns, and it can help zap acne too. Skip the toothpaste. Toothpastes may contain ingredients and fragrances that can irritate and damage the skin, Dr. Bowe says. Keep your hands off. If you need the acne gone, like right now, you may be tempted to pop it, but you could end up with an oozy red mess now and scarring later. Picking will make any pimple take longer to heal, Dr. Evans says. Before applying any product to get rid of your acne or pimple, talk to a dermatologist about finding a skincare regimen that works for you. Do you have any recipes of your own? Share them in the comment section below.